Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to make walnut banana milkshake. So let's begin with the process. Here I'm soaking some walnuts overnight or for 8 to 9 hours. In another bowl, I will be soaking some kesar as well. We'll add water and keep this overnight. We'll add water in our walnuts as well. Cover and keep this aside. Next day morning, kesar is nicely soaked and it has changed its color into yellow. Here our walnuts are also soaked in, but I will not be using the excess water. Here I have my blender. I drained out the excess water and here we have the soaked walnuts ready to be used. We'll transfer this into the blender. We'll add the kesar as well as water. I had soaked some more kesar in another bowl, so we'll be adding that as well. Here I have 2 ripe bananas. We'll be adding them as well. You can use any variety of bananas that you like. I'm not adding milk in this, so we'll need to add little more water, which will depend on the consistency that you prefer. Cover and blend this well. Here I have some golden and black seedless raisins that I will be using for some extra sweetness in the smoothie. You can also use dates and you can in fact blend it together. I'm not going to blend it. I'll simply rinse this with water and will soak it for about 1 or 2 minutes. Here our smoothie is also ready. And we need to serve this. For sweetness, you can also add honey, jaggery, dates or any other thing. I'm just adding some raisins and that's all. So here we have our walnut banana smoothie all ready. And that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.